Hello students, welcome to the online tutorial session. In previous lecture session, we have discussed about the binary addition rules and how to perform the binary addition. In today's session, we will learn about that how the binary subtraction can be performed and what are actually the binary subtraction rule. Okay, so the first rule is if you try to subtract 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. Okay, so if you try to subtract 1 from 0, so this is not possible actually. Okay, so 0 is a smaller digit, 1 is a bigger digit, it's not possible. So for that reason we have to take 1 as a borrow. Okay, 1 as a borrow we have take. So 1 0, it becomes 2, right, in normal decimal number. So 2 minus 1, so answer is 1. Okay, the next rule, that is 1 minus 0, the answer is 1. Okay, and the last rule it is left, that is we subtract 1 minus 1, sorry, I will erase this page and then it will be helpful for you. Okay, so these are the three rules. 0 minus 0 is 0. If you subtract 0 minus 1, that cannot be possible. So for that reason, you have to take one borrow. Okay, so one borrow we have taken. So it becomes 1 0. 1 0 means 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 1 minus 0, it means 1. So again, one rule is also there. That is, if you try to subtract 1 with 1. Okay, so that is 1 minus 1, so always is give you the result is 0. So these are the rules. So we will follow these 4 rules while performing the subtraction. Okay, so here one example is given, that is we have to subtract 1101, okay, minus 1 1. So we have to subtract 1 1 from the 1101. Okay, I am taking the next page. So question is there, like we have to subtract 1101 minus base 2 1 1. Okay, it's clear. So how we will arrange it? Okay, so first we are arranging the first one, that is a bigger one, that is 1101. Okay, and then the second one that need to be subtracted. So from the right hand side to left hand side we will place, that is 1 and 1. Okay, and the rest of the position it is which is not there, that here we will put 0. Okay, and we will do the subtraction. If we do the subtraction, then find out the rule. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, very good. And now the thing is that 0 minus 1, so for the 0 minus 1 we have to take a borrow. Okay, so this borrow we will take from whom? From previous digit. Okay, here is the 0, here I have to take the borrow, but this borrow 1 I will take from whom? Take from this digit. So that point of time again erasing this one and it becomes 0, and I am giving this 1 to this number. So again 1 0, it becomes 2. 2 minus 1, answer is 1. Okay, and next you think this 1 becomes 0 because from here I have taken the borrow. So 0 minus 0, answer is 0, and 1 minus 0, answer is 1. So this is your final answer. Okay, 1101 minus 0011. Okay, so in this way we can perform. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Now we are moving to the another sum. Okay, I hope I'm clearing this one. Okay, another sum is 1001 base 2 minus 111 base 2. Okay, so similar things we will perform, and from the right hand side we try to fill it up. Okay, subtraction 1 minus 1, very good, it is 0. Okay, let me just be calm and check this one. This rule is very critical. Okay, borrowing part is very difficult. See, here also 0, here also 0. To completely if you want to give borrow 1 from here, so we have to take borrow from here also, but here is also 0. So we will start from the previous digit. Okay, so it means I am deducting from here, it becomes 0, and I am giving this 1 to this digit. Okay, I'm giving this one to this digit, and from this digit that is become 1 0, I am giving this 1 to here. Okay, so now again start, because 1 0, 1 0 minus 1 is what? 1 0 minus 1 is 1. But here is what? Here though I have given 1. Yes, I have given 1. So this becomes what? 1. If I subtract, this is becomes what? 1 minus 1, it is 1, I have given 1 over here. See, 1 over here, that is I have taken the borrow from here. So 1 minus 1, it is 0. Okay, and again it is what? 0 here 1 is taken, so 0, and here is nothing, here is no digit is left, that's why 0. Okay, so again I am explaining this sum to you. Okay, I'm doing it for you once again, so that it will be clear for you once again. Okay, so 1 0 0 1, it is 1 1 1, and this is the subtraction symbol. Okay, 1 minus 1 0. See, here also 0, because I need to borrow, but borrow from which digit? Here to already 0 is present. So first we have to give this borrow 1. From borrow we have to take in 1 from here, and then from here to here I will transfer. So for that reason I am deducting this one, and it becomes 0. I am giving this 1 to it. Okay, so I am deducting and I am giving to this. Okay, so this become 1 0 1 0 minus 1. 1 0 means 2, 2 minus 1 1. Okay, it is that. And again you think that from here I have given this 1. Okay, borrow taken from this, actually from the what, third column, that is done. So here in the next column what will happen, that there is a, in the third column, see, so third column what is left? 1 is left, because 1 I have given. So 1 is left from here, 1 I have given, but where the 1 is there, because from this digit I have given 1 to them. So that's why this 1 is there. So this 1 minus this 1, this becomes 0. Okay, and here to already 0 is present. Okay, so the answers become only 1 0. So I hope, I'm repeating this step. The first difference, first column, if you take it in column wise format. Okay, I'm different color I'm using. This one is column 1 2 3 4. What is the procedure I'm using? From column 1 difference, 1 minus 1 0. Very good. Next what we are doing, for borrow 1 taken from column 4 from the value 1. This clear that from this value I'm taking 1 as a borrow. And the okay, next borrow 1 taken from third column. Third column, borrow 1 taken from the third column. The value become 1 0. Value become what? 1 0. So that is 1 0 minus 1 is 1. Hence 1s remain in the column 3. So 1 0 minus 1 is what? 1. So 1 remains over here. Here 1 is there. This one is 1 0 minus 1. Here 1 is there. Okay. And the final difference from here, if you give, that is 1. 1 0 minus 1, it is done. Okay. So next in column these things, we come here 1 1 and minus 1. Here 1 is already there from taken from borrow. So 1 minus 1 0. Here to from here I have taken borrow. So 1 0 become 1 0 minus 1 1. And here from here I am taken 1. So 1 minus 1, it is 0. Okay, and 0 man, nothing is there, so 0. So in this way we can perform the subtraction. Okay, so another problem we can solve, that is 1 0 0 0 1 minus 1 0 1 1. So 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1. 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so it's done. 1 minus 1 0. Okay, here I am need to take a borrow. Okay, but for borrow from which digit? From here I'm giving over here. From here I'm giving over here. From here I'm giving over here. Okay, so 1 minus 0, it is 1. And here also 1 is taken from previous digits. So 1 minus 0, 1. And here it is 1 from this digit. So 1 minus 1, 0. So answer is 110. I'm repeating this one, 1 minus 1, 0. But here is 0 is there, so here also 0, here also 0. So from here we are starting take borrow, here to here, and then from here to here, then from here to here. So 1 0 minus 1, 1. And from this, for this digit, actually, what is left? 0 is there, and from this digit I have taken 1, so it was 1. And from here I have taken 1, so 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. I hope the subtraction is clear to you. Thank you, student. I'm ending my lecture over here.